The electromagnetic spectrum are all the different types of light in our universe. We only actually can see one type of light, and that's the visible light. But all the other light is invisible to us, but we use it in our daily lives. This experiment, we're going to be looking at the different types of invisible light. We will be looking at radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, visible light, and ultraviolet light. We will not be looking at X-ray and gamma rays because they are too dangerous for us. All these types of lights travel at the speed of light, and our experiment, we're going to be finding out how to block the different types of light and what materials will allow the different types of light through. So we're looking at radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, visible, ultraviolet. But in this experiment, no X-ray or gamma rays. So in our experiment, we're looking at a number of different materials to see which one can block the invisible light sources. Our first experiment, we're going to be looking at the cell phone. The cell phone is a source of microwaves. The materials that we're going to be looking at to see if they will block the microwaves include a plastic bag, paper, black plastic, cloth, greaseproof wax paper, and aluminium foil, and a piece of white plastic. What we actually found was the microwave was the hardest invisible light ray to block in the whole experiment, and the only thing that blocked the cell phone signal was the aluminium foil. Okay, so this is ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light is detected by tonic water. It glows in the dark. Much different to, you can see the normal water isn't doing very much.
Oh, show me money.
Ultraviolet light is also picked up by glow-in-the-dark stars. It's also detected by white paper, which gets very bright. And you can see ultraviolet light is used to detect if money is real or not. There's parts of the money that glow. Can you see those little lines there, the 2000? This is money from Uganda.
Yep.
And this looks like real money. Each type of money has different lines that glow in ultraviolet light. Okay, so Stefan's going to show us how paper blocks ultraviolet light. So we can see the tonic water is not glowing, but Stefan's now going to remove the paper, and the tonic water glows.
What would happen if you put fish in there?
Okay, infrared. There are two sources of infrared in this experiment. Heat lamp. Heat is a form of infrared. And also a remote control. The remote control is a form of infrared, one of the invisible light sources that we use quite a lot. Okay, Philip and Julie have been looking at radio waves. So, Philip, what blocks the radio waves?
Aluminium and
aluminium foil. And what else?
And the cage, because it's metal.
The cage. Even though the cage has holes in it, it still blocks the signal. But all the other materials, so we have paper, we have cloth, we've got plastic, none of those blocked it. Thank you guys.